Guys, today is the feast of Assumption of Our Lady, and it is also the Independence Day of India. And we are having a celebration here in Kunkoli, guys. This is the Kunkoli ground, and we are having football, we are having tug of war, and all that stuff. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So as I entered the Kunkoli ground, the parking was full and it had just stopped raining, guys. So everybody were hoping for a good weather. I was slightly late because I had to go back and look for a pink t-shirt because that is the color code which was given to our group. So finally I entered and the entrance looked amazing. You guys saw that already. They even brought a mascot and children were very happy to see him, guys. The winner's cup looked amazing. And this is a rolling trophy, guys, so the same trophy will be used next year as well. All the other cups also looked very nice, and the medals also were amazing. Then Father blessed the occasion and started the event. Everything was nicely done, guys. Now Kunkoli youth is doing a phenomenal job, guys. They are really taking it to the next level and they really deserve a praise. So they started the event with a dance performance by the youth. Guys, just have a look at the amount of people who participated in this event. Hats off to Kunkoli Parish for that. And guys, it all started with a woman's tug of war.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with.
Guys, my team name is Meghalaya and our dress code is pink. That's why I'm wearing pink today. And now it's time for our team to play the tug of war. So let's see what happens, guys. Now this is only for the women, guys, not for me. So I will shoot the video. Let's see, and hoping that we will win. So this is my team, guys. They are all set and we are competing against Assam. So at the moment my team looks very promising. The orange color represents Assam. So let's see what happens, guys.
I'm like a weapon that's sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that.
Tough.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I'm bad enough to see. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I'm bad enough to see.
So they have placed a joker on this.
Then Ruel and Ezvina from my team participated in the Princess Walk. Now there were so many children participating in this game that they had to divide it into two. So here comes the first set.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help.
Then guys, it was time for the sack race. You guys know how funny sack race is, so let's see how it goes. The next game was shot put, and this game was in the age range of 45 to 60 years. But the former superintendent of police, Mr. Tony Fernandez, also gave it a try, guys. Now remember guys, he's more than 70 years old, but he is still such a sport to play a game like this. Then guys, the next game was filling up the bottle, and my team is taking part in this game, guys. So this is our chance, guys. This is our chance to win. Let's see what happens, guys. But before the game begins, they gave a demo of what to do. So you will have to dip a rug in a bucket of water, and you will have to carry it with 2 fingers next to the bottle, and then squeeze that water inside of the bottle. Now if the bottle drops, you are out, and then you will have to go back, and the other member of the team will come with the rug. Whoever fills the bottle first wins. As simple as that. So let's see what happens. Now again, because too many people participated, they had to make 3 rounds for this game. So guys, now it's time for my team to go. So let's see what happens. So guys, we were almost out of this game because only the top 2 teams will go to the final round, and luckily we were the second team, guys, so we made it through to the final round. So let's see what happens in the final round, guys. You never know. Guys, from here I can see that our bottle is almost full and the time is also almost up, and we finished it first, guys. We are the winners. Then guys, it was time for men's tug of war, but I could not participate in this as well, guys, because in my team I was the only boy, and you need to have an entire team to participate, guys. So we could not participate in the men's tug of war. Then guys, the next game was a very interesting game, and it was the tire flip challenge. Again, the age range for this game is 45 to 60 years. So let's see who wins the tire flip challenge, guys.
I'm through what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go.
Then guys, there were also other interesting games like this balloon race, then the Satkotyo challenge, treasure hunt, 5-a-side football, bucket ball, and the tool run challenge. My team got really close in the tool run challenge, but we could not make it. Guys, in spite of our team being so small of so few members, we won 3 prizes.
Third place is backed by Brimilda Suarez from Team Meghalaya. Third place is backed by Valusha and Brimilda from Team Meghalaya. Songlani Tado Macho. And the first place goes to Team Meghalaya. That is Andrina, Nafisa, Jia, Jubin and Sandra. First place goes to Team Meghalaya.
So there you have it, guys, and finally the cup was raised by the team Tamil Nadu, which is Dandora, and they were really great, guys.
पातपुराच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाल आमच्या तरणाट्यांनी बरो भाशेन हो समुदाय काप घडून हाडलोय.
सगल्यांक तुमकां आनीक एक फावटी काळजाची कोलायकता. देव बरें करूं, देवाचो आशीर्वाद तुमचेर पडूं.
So guys, there you have it. If you like the video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fernandes signing out until we meet again.
Call